Yeah, this vehicle is Acadia Denali 2014. I got a problem. As you can see, 80,000 miles. As you can see right here, I got like 30 minutes driving, and the temperature gauge, that thing right there, it's moving. I mean, it's staying like on 160. It's supposed to be on 210, but it's staying on 160, and it has a check engine light. So I went to AutoZone, and they told me it's a cold. And that's gonna be the coolant temperature sensor, something like that. Coolant temperature sensor. So they told me to drain all the 50-50, the coolant, and put new one. And if the check engine light is still there, so to change the temperature, the coolant temperature sensor, that might be the problem. So yeah, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna show you the code that AutoZone told me. And let me see, what is it? And that's it's a little bit hard to work with one hand, but I'll show you. And PO119, yeah. And all this information right here. Yeah, that's the code. Yeah, they told me, yeah, it might need a new temperature sensor. Engine coolant temperature secret, yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna fix it, and I tell you how it is like.
Wait, are you thirsty? Drink some water. I'm gonna go weigh myself now. I can make it. Huh? Please check my weight again.
Overweight, not qualified.
Huh? But I was sweating a lot while running.
Okay, this is after changing the coolant temperature sensor. Yeah, I'm over here. I don't have the seat belt on. That's why you see the light. But okay, the check engine light is gone, and everything is right now. It's normal. Okay, after changing the coolant temperature sensor, my car is ready now.